Okay, so I got my mug all constructed. It is all together. My bottom is smoothed out. This definitely could be a lot smoother and cleaner, but you get the basic idea of how to put everything together. Now, I want to make sure this is nice and smooth and clean before I start putting my design. Now, your design is also going to have to be a slab, okay? So what we're going to do is I have some more clay, and I have my sticks and my rolling pin. I'm going to go ahead and roll out another slab. And now, I'm going to use this slab to add my design to my mugs, okay? Now remember, we want our mugs to be the same. So whatever I cut out, I should cut out double. Now, if I were to make this slab as big as my mug, it'd be super duper thick. So I don't want this slab quite as big as the one that I did for my actual shape. So I'm gonna start off with these wood pieces to keep it thick, and then in a second I'm gonna get rid of them. This will just kind of give me a start. Okay, remember you want it nice and even. Right now I have a big lump in the middle, so I want to make sure that I get that the same thickness all the way. Okay, once I get that done, I'm going to go ahead and take the sticks away because I want to make it a little bit thinner so that when I add my clay to my mug, it is not super duper thick, okay? So I'm going to roll it out a little bit. I want to try and keep it the same throughout the whole thing. I don't want one area really thick and then one area really thin. Okay, so I'm gonna roll this out a bit. Okay, also one other thing, if you get, sometimes it looks like there's little pockets in there, okay? If you get one of those, you just take a needle or whatever and you poke it because that's an air pocket, okay? I don't see any in here, but it happens. Okay, so I'm rolling this out, making it a little bit thinner because I'm going to use this for my designs and I want to make sure it's nice and even. Okay, so if you look on the side, this is much more thin than my slab I used to make my mug. Okay, but I'm going to go a little bit thinner. Okay, again, trying to make it nice and even. The middle is always a little bit more thick, so I'm trying to make that even. Okay, so once I get it the right thickness, I could go a little bit more, I think. Especially in the middle. Okay, so that looks pretty good, about right there, all right? Now, I'm going to pick what design I want for this, and it could pretty much be anything, but whatever you do, you want to have two of. So your best bet is to make a stencil.